What's up, baby girl? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, we are going to do the big review and unveiling of the Motives Elements palette. So if you want to find out how all these color swatches look, then baby girl, stick around. Alrighty, so before we get into the color swatches, I'm just going to go to the Motives Cosmetics website and find out the tea on this gorgeous palette. Okay, now it retails for $54.50. That is Australian dollars, and this is what it says. This universal palette features a gorgeous neutral shades created by our Motives Mavens. Everyone needs this palette in their beauty arsenal. With 8 versatile, extremely wearable shades, it has everything you need for the perfect neutral eye. It all comes in a sleek, compact, that makes this palette slim design, perfect for travel, so you'll never have to be without these must-have shades. Whoo, darling, that was a mouthful. Okay, so this is the look that I created with this palette. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous smoky eye.
Mom.
Excuse my little darling daughter in the end over there. She's just cleaning my brushes. It is school holiday, so I excuse.
I'm feeling it if it's dry.
She's feeling her brushes if it's dry. So it's school holiday.
This one's dry.
And she's been interrupting me all day. So please excuse her, but she has to be here with me in the room. Okay, so here's the palette. It's a nice, gorgeous, sleek design. As it says, it's got a nice, beautiful mirror on top. 8 perfect neutral shades. So let's get into the color swatching. Okay, so starting off with this shade right here, we're going to go in with the neutral white color, and this is in the color Raven. Okay, so we're just going to put it right here. And that's what I set down as a base on my eye before I did my smoky look. Second color is going to be this almost dark peach brown color. Okay, and this is in the color Aubergine. It's going to go right here. All right, another gorgeous neutral shade. Next color is going to be this gorgeous soft gray, which is beautiful for a smoky eye. That's what I have on my eye right now, okay? And we're gonna put it right here. Next color is this one right here, which is a
How about I watch on your phone?
Black.
Can I watch on your phone?
Shh, darling, please. We're going to put the matte black right here. And of course, oh, look at that. Look at the intensity of that matte black, okay? That's what I have on my mobile lid and right under the waterline.
I'm just seeing your finger.
Next color is this gorgeous champagne shimmery color. So up the top, we've got all the matte neutrals. Down the bottom, we've got all of the shimmeries. And this is in the color Truffle. Okay, so you can see there, we're going to put that right on top of this one here. And that's a gorgeous shimmery color. It's beautiful, isn't it? And just almost like a light champagne. Great for the mobile lid. Next color is this one right next to it. Okay, and I'd probably call this a deep gold champagne. And this is in the color Bordeaux. So let's put this one right here. How gorgeous is that? Now imagine these two colors on your eye. Just gorgeous. Next color is this one down here, which is a great berry color. Look at that. Now that is called Serene. Let's pop it right next to this color. Oh, wow. You can clearly see the intensity of these colors. Just gorgeous. And last but not least, we have this warm brown color down here, which is called Shell. Let's pop it over here. Okay. And so that's got a really nice, deep, warm brown color to it. And those are the 8 shades in the Motives Mavens Elements palette.
Mom.
Alright, so that brings us to the end of the swatches. So there they are again. And there are the colour palettes.
Mom, I will show you which color I like. Give me
So
your
as
hand.
it states, these are great neutral shades. Perfect for a smoky eye, which is what I've done today. And these are shimmers in case you want to do a nice shimmer mobile lid. This
Mom?
palette is a great
Mom?
universal palette. Darling, I'm talking. Please be patient, honey. I'm nearly finished. These colours are great universal shades if you want to use it on different skin tones. Great shades. And obviously these matching shimmers will match with these mattes.
I got a scratch on my face, guys.
Okay guys, that brings us to the end of the Motives Mavens swatch review tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching. I have my little darling daughter here. What's your name?
Extra. I have a scratch over here.
She's got a little scratch on her face and she's been helping me all day cleaning all of my brushes, being such a good girl.
They're over there on the towel.
They're over there on the towel. Okay,
Yeah.
Darling,
Yeah?
say thank you so much for watching, guys.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Please give this video a thumbs up.
Hit that
subscribe button.
button.
And sound off on the comments below if you need any help.
I have to go check all my brushes if they could.
Wait, darling. Until next time, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.